The Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commissioner PAOK is set to file before the Department of Justice charges of kidnapping and serious physical injuries against those behind the illegal activities in Lucky South 99 Pogo Hub in Porac, Pampanga. On Monday, June 24, PAOK re-entered the compound with Senator Sherwin Gatchalian to show the extent of operations inside the Pogo Hub. Both the authorities and the lawmaker are confident that they have established links between the Pogo Hubs in Porac and Bamban-Tarlac, including its mayor Alice Guo.
So may common personalities po ang Porac at saka yung Bamban. So binubuo namin po iyon, nakita na namin yung matrix, may mga documentary evidence na kami sa ilang mga tao. Kaya lang may mga beneficial owners na hindi natin nakikita sa mga SEC at saka PAGCOR documents.
Ang masasagot ko lang yung mga kausap niyang tao, nakita rin dito sa Pogo Hub na ito.
An immigration alert has been requested against the 12 persons of interest tagged in the illegal operations behind the Porac Pogo Hub. This as one Pogo official allegedly tried to leave the country.
Just last night, may pinahold kami sa Davao Airport. And ito yung isa sa mga boss na pinagdududahan namin. So, ginagawa na namin yung mga dokumento ngayon para at least ma-interview namin at ma-imbestigahan.
53 vaults inside the Pogo Hub are expected to be opened tomorrow. Gatchalian, for his part, wants to recommend to the Department of the Interior and Local Government the suspension of Porac Mayor Jaime Capil for his alleged negligence over the Pogo mess.
Nakakadismaya na ganito kalaking Pogo Hub, hindi niya nalaman. Nung narinig ko yung investigation ng provincial government ng Pampanga at sinabi niya hindi niya alam at hindi siya pinapapasok at si Kapitan hindi rin pinapapasok, dapat naging red flag na yan. Kung ang isang mayor hindi pinapapasok, kung ang isang kapitan hindi pinapapasok, magduda ka na. Dapat magsumbong ka na sa polis, hindi yung tatahimik ka. Dahil kung tumahimik ka, para ka nang kasama dun sa mga krimen na nangyari. Kikita natin, merong negligence na nangyari dahil pinabayaan niyang mangyari ito sa kanyang lugar.
The Porac mayor has yet to comment on the matter, but he earlier denied accusations that he is a Pogo protector. Joaquin Delgado, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.